All right, I thought maybe be a little helpful to run through how to solve a system of equations by graphing. Let's go ahead and run through. This is a good practice worksheet from CUDA Software. Man, it's a good skill and drill activity. It really does help you with procedure. So let's go ahead and get to it, right? So it looks like all of these on the first page are all in slope-intercept form, right? Y equals mx plus b. So let's pick number 2 and let's pick number 4. Number 4 is kind of interesting because number 4 has a horizontal line right there. So anyway, first thing, when you're graphing a line, you need 2 points. That's your goal. Right? You always want to find 2 points. You get those 2 points under wraps, you connect the dots, you're done. So we're going to do these independently, right? You don't put 2 points and 2 points and then try to figure out where it goes. A lot of people do that. Put 2 points, connect the dots. Then 2 points, connect the dots. So let's start here. We start with B, y-intercept 3, always. There's y-intercept. Then you count your slope 4. So this is tricky. I can't go up 4. There's not enough room. The slope is positive. So up and right is positive, but so is down and left. Both of those are positive. See, both of those lines would be going up from left to right. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, right? Slope is 4, 4 over 1 is the same, right? So down and left or up and right. So there's my first line. Now, a lot of people, like I said, they get these 2 points right here, and then they go ahead and try to find the other 2 points for the other line, and they get themselves all confused. So 2 points, graph it. Now this one, -2. Our slope is negative x, so that's actually -1, which is down 1 and right 1. Or, again, so down and right. Or you could go up and left. You can go up and left also. Both of those would be -2, down from left to right, see? So anyway, we're going to go up. Oh, right there. There's our point right there. They shared a point right there, one of the points we counted. So our solution, you got to remember to write your solution. Our solution is -1, -1. If you don't write this and you did all the work and you didn't say what the answer was, and so you didn't answer the question, you get yourself in a little trouble. So now, let's talk about this one. Y equals -1. Y equals -1, that's right there. That is a horizontal line. It has a slope of 0. If it says y equals a number, it's horizontal always. All right, now our x is 4, so that's right here. Now here we have a slope of -5 over 2, so that means we're going to go down 5, right 2. Down 5, right 2. So down and right is a negative slope, right? So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2. There we go. That's where it crosses. So our answer is 2 for x, right? 2 for x and -1 for y. There we are. Now, let's check the backside of this thing right here. Let's pick 2 on this backside to do. So let's do number 6. Number 6 is kind of interesting. Here's why. We got 2. We got this one right here, right? So we got 2 for our y-intercept. Because again, you need 2 points. So there's our first one. And now our slope is -2. Well, that's -2 over 1. So we're going to go down 1, down 2 over 1. Right? So there's our other point. Again, after you find your 2 points, make your line. Don't find 2 points for one and then find 2 points for the other and try to do it. It's just going to get yourself all kind of confused. Now let's look at the other one. Our other one has a y-intercept at -2. It has a slope of -2 also. So -2 here, right? That's our y-intercept. But then it has a slope of -2. So down 1, down 2 over 1. These lines are parallel. They have the same exact slope. So that has no solution. It's called inconsistent. I don't know if you remember that or not from before, but that's how it works. Inconsistent, no solution. All right, let's pick one more to do. Let's go ahead and do number 7 right here, right? So here, let's do this first one. We have to find 2 points, right? Find your y-intercept first, and then from there, you count your slope and make another point. So y-intercept -2, down 1, 2 right there. And then slope is negative, so we're going to go down 1 and right 2. Or up 1 and left 2. Either way, get your points, connect the dots. That's your first line. All right, there's your first line. Make sure it goes all the way across. Use a straight edge, of course. Now, second one, y-intercept's 2. Slope is -3 over 2. So again, we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2. Ah, look at that right there. Connect the dots. Got our graph. got our other graph, got our two lines, got our point right here, negative 2, comma, negative 1. There we go. That's how it works. So find your y-intercept, count your slope. Write down where they cross. Boom, done.